My name is Syed Fazar Ali Rizvi and I'm working as a program lead Google engagement here in Tech Valley, Pakistan. Though I was born in Karachi, I don't consider myself as a Karachiite or my home. You can call me a gypsy because I don't have any kind of hometown or homeland where I have any home. And right now, because I'm in Abbottabad or in the mountains of Abbottabad, this is where I feel most homey. I became a part of Tech Valley, Pakistan 2 years back, and when I came here, it was a very different learning environment from what Pakistan is all about. Being an IT professional and being an undergraduate of information technology and software engineering, they always told you that you have to sit in front of a computer, code, and then send it to the customer or whatever. But I was never any conventional guy, nor I really understood this conventional methods. So Tech Valley Pakistan gave me a new platform, a very different platform, somewhat like a startup environment where I get to learn, where I get to work in different aspects of the professional environment, and that was very helpful for me and my career. Recently, Tech Valley Pakistan just became partner of Google for Education and GCU to be specific. And right now, it's a very big opportunity with Tech Valley Pakistan that we are enabling all these schools and all these different companies with Google and bringing in Google into Pakistan. And that's something that we are very much excited about. And leading this project, it's a big honor for me and my whole team that we are doing something that's going to be hugely influential and is gonna build blocks for Pakistan to do something in terms of technology and get to something that's been lacking for the past 20 or 30 years. In the end, I would advise the youth of this country that do whatever you want to do, learn whatever you want to learn, and there's no limit to anything that you want to do, because if you're interested in something, you should do it. You shouldn't just consider that what's the pay is gonna be or what the future look like. If you are interested in something, if you are excited about something, just do it, and that's where you're gonna grow. That's where you're gonna get the knowledge, and that's how you're gonna become what you want to become. For me, knowledge is something that I strive towards. Whether it's the orchestral music that you're hearing in the background, or the amazing cloud, Google Cloud that we are working on. That's what I strive towards, and that's what I move towards, and that's going to be my final goal in the end.